How to use Ledger Nano X with Metamask. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Ledger Nano X with Metamask. First, connect your Ledger device to your computer device using a USB cable. Also, open your Metamask wallet in full screen on your browser. You can do this by logging in with the password you just set up. Click on the top right menu of the Metamask wallet and then find and click on Connect Hardware Wallet in the drop-down menu. When you click Continue, Metamask will look for a Ledger device connected to the computer. So, to make sure it discovers your wallet, unlock your Ledger device. Once it discovers your wallet, it will prompt you to choose a Ledger account that you would want to connect to Metamask. Next, choose an existing account or create one in Ledger Live and choose that. Click on the Ethereum application on your device display, then click on Settings and turn on Blind Signing. Make sure you're aware of the risks associated with blind signing. Now, open the MetaMask window. Click on the account logo in the top right corner. Scroll down to Settings and click. Then click Advanced Settings, scroll down and turn on Web HID.